In this video, you will learn how to delete row or multiple row from Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have opened a spreadsheet and I want to delete some rows from this table. Firstly, you will learn how to delete single row. For example, I want to delete the row number 4 because I don't need this data. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. So firstly, I will select this row. You can select this particular row by clicking on this 1, 2, 3, 4 option. For example, I want to delete row number 4, so I will click on this 4, and you can see here the whole row is selected. After selecting that particular rows, right click, you will find the option of delete. Click on this. Now you can see here the row number 4 is deleted and Excel has automatically arranged the remaining data. So I will undo it. Now you will learn how to delete multiple rows because you don't need to delete rows one by one if you are interested to remove multiple rows. So firstly, select any particular row. For example, I want to delete row number 3, 4 and 5. Firstly, select any row. Now by dragging option, select remaining rows. Now you can observe a small box and 3R is written. It means that you have selected 3 rows. After doing that, place your cursor on any selected rows heading and right click. You will find the option of delete. Click on it. You can see here that all selected rows are deleted. Now I will undo it. Now in last part of video, you will learn how to delete rows when they are not consecutive. For example, I am interested to remove the row number 3 and remove the row number 6. So firstly, I will select row number 3 by clicking on these 3 number. After that, hold down your control key and click on this number 6. You can see here row number 3 as well as row number 6 is selected. Now place your cursor any of the selected rows headings. Right click and click on delete. You can see here the row number 3 and 6 is deleted now. So by using these options, you can easily delete the single row or multiple row which are either consecutive or separated. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.